Good morning, everyone. In this video, I would like to help you to learn numbers in the Russian language. How will we make it? I will tell you the number in English, and you have to say the number in Russian, and you also need to write the number somewhere. You need not only say that, but also write that. If you make uh, the both type of activity, I can say that then you will learn quickly. In this video, I will use English, the English language, and I also would like to make another video where I will speak German. So if your mother tongue is German, then it will better for you to watch another video. Falls Ihre Muttersprache Deutsch ist, dann es wird für Sie besser wahrscheinlich ein anderes Video zu gucken, wo ich auf Deutsch sprechen werde. So, wir fangen jetzt an in Englisch. We start right now in English. I will say in English and you will say in write in Russian. 2, 2, 7, 7, 5, 5, 6, 6, 10, 10, 8, 8, 4, 4, 0, 0, 3, 3, 1, 1, 9, 9, 3, 3, 7, 7, 5, 5, 10, 10, 0, 0, 9, 9, 4, 4, 8, 8, 6, 6, 2, 2, 9, 9, 1, 1, 4, 4, 7, 7, 10, 10, 0, 0, 6, 6, 2, 2, 5, 5, 1, 1, 3, 3, 8, 8, 10, 10, 6, 6, 2, 2, 8, 8, 4, 4, 5, 5, 1, 1, 0, 0, 7, 7, 9, 9, 7, 7, 6, 6, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 8, 8, 10, 10, 4, 4, 3, 3, 0, 0, 9, 9, 6, 6, 2, 2, 4, 4, 8, 8, 5, 5, 9, 9, 1, 1, 7, 7, 10, 10, 0, 0, 3, 3, 5, 5. That's enough for today. I hope that the video can really help you to learn those numbers from 0 to 10. Please write me some comments what I should improve in my video in order to make it more helpful for all of us. So thank you, and in the next videos we will learn other numbers, and I also will make a video in German language.